Hey everyone, it's Erin Fletto here, and I am excited to show you this 16 personalities quiz, which I am taking as we speak. It is from 16personalities.com, which is based on the Myers-Briggs personality quiz. So it's going to sort me into one of 16 personalities. I actually already took this quiz and I'm doing the voiceover for it, which you can see me speeding through right now. It's based on a ranking scale from agree to disagree and one that is neutral. So I'm going through this quiz right now, and I actually got something that I've never gotten before. So I'm a little confused, but I'm going to put it in my bullet journal anyways. I usually get the architect personality whenever I take this, but this time I got the advocate personality. So I'm going to put this information in my bullet journal now.
All right, so you just saw me take the 16 personalities test. This is based on the Myers-Briggs test for your personality. So apparently I got advocate, which, like I said in the voiceover, I haven't gotten before. So I'm a little surprised at this result, but maybe that's because I personally think it's because I'm watching Game of Thrones right now, and Jon Snow is one of the people that has this personality. So who knows? Maybe I'll have to take it again later and see if I got the same personality trait. But I am going to fill out some information. I'm going to put the date on here so that I can compare it later on. And then I'm thinking about taking this every couple months, maybe every 6 months or so, because during different points in your life, I guess, you grow and adapt and all that kind of stuff. So maybe that's why it changed. Not sure, but I'll see how it goes and go ahead and fill out some of the stats that you saw once I took this test. feeling, 57% judging, and 72% turbulent. So I am INFJ-T, which is the advocate personality according to 16 personalities. I have a few strengths and weaknesses. My strengths are creative, insightful, inspiring, and convincing, decisive, determined, and passionate, altruistic. My weaknesses are sensitive, extremely private, perfectionistic, always need to have a cause, and can burn out easily. That can burn out easily is a big one, so maybe this is correct. And then some of the advocates you may know, there's more on this list, but Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, Alanis Morissette, Jimmy Carter, Morgan Freeman, Jon Snow, Aragorn, and Michael Scofield. So that is the one-pager little information sheet that I'm going to put in here, and I am just going to put January 2019 so that I can go back, and I'm going to leave this page for the end of this bullet journal since I'm using the back of my current bullet journal for this. And so I'm going to take a look in June and see if it's the same thing when I take this test. So we'll see, because like I said, I've never really gotten this one before. I have gotten, let me look. I have gotten the architect, which is INTJ. So I've gotten that one before, but I haven't gotten this one before. So like I said, maybe it's because I'm watching Game of Thrones and I love Jon Snow. So we'll go ahead and take a look in 6 months and see where I'm at. If you want to take this test, I have all the information listed down in the description below, and you can take a look. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos or want me to take more quizzes of certain types, maybe a sorting quiz for Harry Potter or something like that, where I also put in the little information sheet into my bullet journal, I'm more than happy to do that. Just leave it in the comments below and let me know what quizzes you want me to take. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.